Okay, so in this practice question, we're going to write a program that generates 15 random numbers between 50 and 100, and we're just going to display those numbers to the screen and then find the average of them and display that to the screen at the end. All right, so we're generating random numbers, so I'm going to need the random library. And we're going to need a loop to generate the 15 random numbers. Let's say I'm going to use a while loop. Right? And I'm going to use I as my counter. So let's maybe start my counter at 1, and we'll need to do it 15 times. So we'll do less than or equal to 15, and we'll have my counter go up by 1 every time. Okay, so there's my loop set up to execute 15 times, and in my loop I need to generate the random value. I need to print it to the screen, and then I need to add it up. Because if I'm going to find the average, I need to find the total, and I need to divide by the total, the number of numbers that I did. So my average will be calculated outside the loop here, down here. So I'll get the sum of all the random numbers and divide by 15. Right. So let's generate a random number. Let's say num. So we'll just do a random integer. Rand int between 50 and 100. Okay, we can print it to the screen. I will print them all on one line. Okay. We'll add up the values. So I need a variable to store that total. So we'll start it at 0, and then every time through the loop, we will add num to it. Okay. And then we just need to calculate the average. So average equals the total sum that I added up in the loop divided by the 15 numbers, and then we can print that out. Okay. So the average is okay. So let's see what that does. All right, so we've got, I should probably put a slash there because it's printing on the same line because of my end equals there. All right, so we have numbers between, looks like 80 and 98. Okay. That average does seem reasonable. I mean, we could pull out our calculators and check, but it is definitely creating the right amount of numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 random numbers. And we could round that if you really wanted to. But I think that is accomplishing the task that we were asked to do.